Hey there, friends. I'm walking in a kind of a seedy area of town here in downtown Columbia, South Carolina. I wanted to get this quick video out to you all. I don't know if you guys have paid much attention to the Polymer 80 lawsuit that was taking place in the Washington, D.C. area, where D.C. was stating that Polymer 80 had misled their clients who had purchased the Polymer 80 build kits in the D.C. area. Well, it turns out that the municipality of Washington, D.C. is being awarded a $4 million lawsuit from Polymer 80. This just came out yesterday. So Polymer 80 will be instructed to pay the city of Washington, D.C. over $4 million as a result of this. And I think they also have to put on their website that anything in D.C. is illegal to purchase from any residents of DC of Polymer 80 products, and all of that stuff has to go out and I guess be visible to anyone purchasing those. Look for more cities to likely do this, pass rulings or something like that that's going to make it illegal to own those types of kits in their areas, and then subsequently end up suing Polymer 80. I look for Polymer 80 to make definitely some website changes to deter people, at least to give them a little bit of protection in terms of disclaimers and whatnot on their own website. But that's big, $4 million, absolutely insane amount of money. The thing that bothers me is the claim is that this lawsuit was put in place and they're celebrating it as a victory for the people of Washington, D.C. Oddly enough, the people of Washington, D.C. won't see any of that money, including the people that this lawsuit was actually filed against. Or filed in the name of, I should say. So oddly enough, D.C. will pocket all this money illegally.